Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss you looking hot, okay? So you want to attract someone, you need to look good, honey. You need to look hot, you need to look sexy, you need to look pretty. These are my tips on how to do that. I want to get the boring ones out of the way. So posture, obviously stand like a lady. You want to make sure that you look confident even if you are not. So that means putting your head held high, make sure that you're walking properly and elegantly. And you also want to make sure that your hand gestures are subtle and ladylike. You don't want to be throwing up gang signs and doing all this in someone's face. You want to be like a lady, and you also want to sound like one. So if you are talking with a lot of slang and you just sound like your man them type vibe, then you need to stop with all that and you need to just sound like a lady. Okay, so now let's move on to the fun part, and the fun part is your look. So the first thing is your weight. If you're not happy with your weight, or your weight is affecting you getting attention from guys, then fix it. Lose weight. While you're in the process of losing weight and working out and achieving your your weight goal, your body goal, then make sure that you're buying clothes that actually fit the weight that you're at the moment, and they just make you look slimmer in the right places. So whether you are slim or whether you're not, whatever your size is, make sure that you're wearing clothes that fit your body type, that make you look good. So let's take me for instance. I do not have a butt. Like it's not there. Like it's small, it's like in proportion to me, it's small. So I would be wearing things that try to give me a bit more shape. So I'll be wearing very tight pencil skirts, ones that are longer so they'll come up below my knees to really give me a bit more shape. If you've already got a lot of shape and you need to slim that shape down, then you might be wearing more of a flowy dress, one that goes in at the waist and then it's more flowy out, So just bear stuff like that in mind. So the next thing to looking hot is obviously showing skin. If you are not showing some skin, then make sure that you're showing some skin. So something like this. These sitting here right now are basically saying, hi guys, come and say hello to me. That's what, when they see this, it's talking to them, and you want these to be talking to them. So if you have these, and even if you don't, you can still do things like I've seen girls like with smaller chested, they still push up their boobs and stuff and make them look a bit bigger. So if you are confident to have your boobs up, then just do it. Just have them out, not too excessively, because then you just look trampy and you don't look elegant anymore. But to look sexy, this is a good amount of cleavage. You could even do a bit more. So if this was a bit lower, like I'm breaking up my bra, but if this was a bit lower like that, then that would be really cute actually. I might have to look for a dress like that. Okay, so there's cleavage. You want to be showing skin. If you really have nothing up here or whatever it is, then have your legs out. Okay, but make sure you're having something out. Another thing that's really sexy as well is having your shoulders out. This chest bit, I have a picture of me having my chest out. I'll show it, I'll put it on the screen, I'll put it up here, of this bit being out. That looks very alluring, very, very sexy as well. Okay, so we've done clothes and stuff like that. The next thing is your lips. Make sure you've got on lipstick, make sure your lips are not chapped. If lip gloss looks nice on you, then do it. The number one sexy lip hack is obviously red lipstick. And I have a video of me wearing red lipstick. I was wearing Rihanna's Fenty lipstick. I think it's in the shade Stunner. It's her only red one anyway. If you don't have it, I would go and get that. So yeah, signature red lipstick, always sexy, always going to be nice. The next thing is your eyes. You want your eyes to look as big as possible, as alluring as possible, and they just captivate people. When your eyes are big, you've got eye makeup on, you've got lashes on, it just makes the world of difference. So go on YouTube, watch tutorials, learn how to do your eye makeup, learn how play about with it in your free time, in your spare time, and get that nailed down. I'm still learning how to do my eye makeup, but I'm trying. I'm still learning how to do it with brushes, but I'm still trying. I'm still doing it. I'm still putting it on my face. I'm still trying to make the effort, and that's what you guys need to be doing as well if you want your eyes to look sexy and get that eyeliner on there, honey. Get that makeup on your eyes. And the next thing is your hair. Most guys like straight hairs. They want to look at something that they really think they can get their hands through. See how much more attention you get with your hair straight than with it being natural. The next thing that I wanted to add is your scent. If you don't smell of perfume and you don't smell nice and you don't smell amazing, then someone that looks just as good as you but smells nice will get the guy and you just won't. So get that perfume on, slap it on, and remember, you've got different perfumes for different times. So in the daytime you want to be wearing something a bit lighter, a bit more floral. In the nighttime, something more seductive and stuff like that, and a bit stronger. So just bear that in mind. And I hope that you follow these tips. I hope that this video helped you. And if you have any video requests or just any questions in general about this topic or whatever, then put them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.